What's going on, guys? I'm your host, Chris. This is the Otter Line Report. Today is an exciting day because we got a full slate of baseball here on the board. Um, Sorry, I was gonna fix my mic here. So, anyway, to be honest, okay, so I haven't made a podcast in a few days, then that's it kind of is what it is. So hockey has just been truck long. I haven't been betting a lot of sports, honestly, other than MLB. MLB's been pretty good. This time of year, second half of the season, I feel like it just gets a little strange in MLB and NBA in terms of um, all the data that the model currently has struggles a little bit because the teams morales have shifted. Like a team like the Panthers, who typically are a gritty team that can really beat anyone, they're not really playing that game. 11 guys out. You know what I mean? So it becomes a little more difficult. A team like Colorado, they are actually fighting for that top spot, so they get a better seed. They're going to be playing their hopefully best selves. But then you have a team like San Jose really fighting for the spot, and the Islanders and some other teams that probably aren't going to make it, like Toronto, and where Toronto typically might play decent. Like there's just things get a little weird, and I feel that kind of shift hit the NBA a lot sooner. Like basically after the trade deadline, it's just been kind of mucky. The data's still pretty good, I will say. If you see the screen here, if you go picks, if you're a subscriber, the platinum pick, I have been betting that. So like on NHL, I only bet the platinum pick, which is right here. It's actually been one of the better performers. And then if you head to, this is the benefit of having three sports, is you can kind of pick and choose. NBA sniper I do take. So NHL, I'm taking platinum picks. NBA, I'm taking the sniper picks. And it just means not every day there are picks, but when there are, they're usually pretty decent. So I'm taking those. And MLB has been awesome, honestly. I'm hoping this kind of continues. Now, if you look at the consensus, it doesn't look all that exciting, but the no run first inning picks have been awesome, really really good. You'll see those on the front page here. Yeah, if you go consensus MLB, honestly, I'm hardly ever betting the money lines right now. It's at 58%. We're gonna get that up, I think, because the Otter line model hasn't been producing, but we're going to back test it and improve it. Like this is brand new. So I think the overall win rates will go up on MLB. And now I will say I did bet Boston tonight because it's a 50-50 split. All three models are like Boston. So I took them over Houston. That's not, it's not like 100% obviously going to happen, but I'll take my chances on an elite level pick. But if you scroll down below that, if you are paying the $10 a month subscription, the no run first innings have been banging. So no run first innings, we are 24 and 11. So that's 69% accuracy. Yes, run first inning, we're 6-2. So like they're absolutely cooking. I'm hoping that that win rate stays fairly high. This is where I'm placing my bets. So anything that's elite or verified, that is what I'm taking. Elites are 5-1, verified 6-3. So this has been making up a lot of ground for me. So I'm really liking the no run first innings bet, and that's kind of where we're at. So if you're thinking of subscribing to the model, it's definitely worth it right now just to get these no run first innings because they've been doing very well, and I hope we just cook together. So today this is the board. We're taking the Minnesota game, Detroit game, and we're taking the San Francisco game. Those are the three no run first innings I have. If you want the opposite, we have a pick that's not confident. Yes, run first inning, the Texas game. I didn't bet that. I'm kind of staying away from the leans and the strong, and I'm only taking the verified and elites. That's kind of where we're at. All right, guys. All right, that's it. Talk to you later.